morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I'm CS Sudhir. You may be wondering, what is this Financial Freedom Show? I'm going to tell you what is Financial Freedom Show. How is it going to help you? Why you must watch this show every day, Monday to Friday at 7:45 a.m. I'm going to explain you that. So I'm sure you agree with me that we do 5 things with money, right? We earn money, we save money, we spend money, we invest money, we borrow money. But tell me, where did you learn how to do these things effectively? It is not being taught. Though we study from LKG to graduation for almost 17 to 18 years, it is not being taught anywhere. Because of that, we get into financial problems almost every day. So, through Financial Freedom Show, you're going to learn how to earn more money, how to create different sources of income. You're going to learn how to save enough for your future. You're going to learn how to spend less. You're going to learn how to invest wisely, how to invest in the right place, how to invest in the right time. You're going to learn how to borrow from the right place for lesser interest, for less rate, right? You're going to learn all these things. So I am going to broadly teach you, number 1, personal finance, all about money management. Number 2, your career building, career management. Number 3, farming. If you are a farmer, you want to earn more through farming, I'm going to teach you those subjects. Number 4, I'm going to teach you about business. You may ask me, how am I going to ask my doubts and questions? All you need to do is, you just have to download the Financial Freedom app from either Play Store or App Store. So it is available both on Android and iOS. You can download Indian Money's Financial Freedom app and post your question. I will answer your question in the next episode. So make sure you post your question very attractively with clarity, so that more people will vote if they are facing similar challenges in their life. So now let's look at today's topic. Mr. Mohan from Chennai had posted a question on Financial Freedom app. He is asking, how do I save more money? I want to save more money, but I'm not able to do it. How do I do it? So now let's understand, what is saving? I consider saving as paying yourself. What does it mean? It means, you may think, hey, I'm earning 50,000 salary, which means I'm getting 50,000. Sorry, you're not getting 50,000. Whatever you save from that 50,000 is what you're getting. The rest, you're paying it to your landlord, you're paying it to your builder, you're paying it to your barber, you're paying it to your grocery shop, you're paying everyone. You're not really paying yourself. Saving is actually what you pay yourself. Understand? COVID-19 has taught us why we must save money, right? So now the problem with people is, why are we not able to save enough money? Because we always follow a wrong practice. What is that? We earn money, we spend money, and whatever is left at the month end, we try to save. Remember, if you follow that, you will not be able to save. So what is that you should do today? From today, connect your savings to your dreams and goals, so that you will be able to see those dreams whenever you try to stop those savings, whenever you try to break those savings. For example, I'm saving money for my retirement. I'm saving money to build my dream home. I'm saving money to buy my dream car. Whenever I do it, what happens now? I will start connecting my savings to my dreams. And whenever I try to take out my savings to spend on some luxury, I see those dreams, I see those destinies, and then I say, I stop myself, right? So that's why I want you to connect your savings to your goals, so that you will not break it, or you will not stop it. You will not stop saving. So start doing it. You will be able to save more. If you have any question about earning more money, saving enough, spending less, investing wisely, borrowing consciously, all you need to do is download Financial Freedom app from Play Store or App Store and post your question. I will come back to you with an answer in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.
Time for